Nagmamatigas ang China, nasa kanila ang Escoda Shoal. Kaya naman nananatiling nakaposte roon ang kanilang monster ship. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Ria Fernandez.
Tanaw mula sa barko ng Philippine Coast Guard o PCG na BRP Teresa Magbanwa ang China Coast Guard Vessel 5901 na tinaguri ang monster ship at pinakamalaking Coast Guard vessel sa buong mundo. Minomonitor yan ng PCG mula nang mamataan ito doon noong pang July 3.
The China Coast Guard monster ship remains to be inside the Escoda Shoal. It never departed and still anchored there.
Kung titingnan sa mapa, nasa 71 nautical miles o mahigit 100 kilometro lang ang layo ng Escoda Shoal mula sa Palawan. Pasok ito sa ating Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ. Ilang beses na raw tinaboy ng PCG ang monster ship pero hindi ito nagpapatinag.
As I said, they're also going to challenge us back and then claim sovereignty also in Escoda Shoal. Again, it's not just sovereign rights that they're claiming. The weird part is that whenever they challenge us of this China Coast Guard monster ship, they're even claiming that they have full sovereignty in Escoda Shoal.
Sa ilalim ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas o UNCLOS, may soberanya o total control lang ang anumang bansa sa isang teritoryo o katubigan basta pasok yan sa tinatawag na territorial sea na hindi dapat lumagpas sa 12 nautical mile limit mula sa baseline o dalampasigan. Kaya kung inaangkin na rin ng China ang Escoda Shoal, malinaw na paglabag yan sa international law. Lalo't masyado ng malayo ang Escoda sa Hainan Island na pinakamalapit namang teritoryo ng China sa may South China Sea. Payo tuloy ni retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, dalhin na ulit sa International Court ang mga iligal na aktibidad ng China.
150 nautical miles from Hainan. There is no way China can win because they're just too far away. They will raise again the 9-dash line, but that has been struck down. So they don't have any basis at all. Let us not dilly-dally. Let's bring China to an UNCLOS tribunal because what China fears most is another arbitration case.
Una nang pinawalang bisa ng 2016 arbitral ruling ang 9-dash line claim ng China na halos sakupin ang buong South China Sea. Tingin ni Carpio, malaki ang naitulong ng ruling kaya hindi makapustura ang China.
Every time the U.S. and its allies conduct joint patrols in the West Philippine Sea, they're telling China, we can conduct these naval drills, aerial drills, because these waters constitute the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines in accordance with the arbitral award. So that is the strongest enforcement so far of the arbitral award.
Dagdag pa ni Carpio, bukod sa joint patrols, pwede raw igit ng Pilipinas ang karapatan natin sa West Philippine Sea kung uumpisahan na rin natin kunin ang mga deposito ng langis doon. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Ria Fernandez, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Lucy Cruz Valdez po, maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong balita sa bansa. Tumutok at mag-subscribe sa News 5 social media pages.